So guys, we're gonna be fixing an issue on this car. I had like a little incident here. Very annoying. It really bothers me, like a dent, you see? Right there. So we have a professional who's gonna work on my car. Luckily, he's my neighbor. But I'm gonna show you how we do this. So we have all the tools, professional tools, to remove the dents without any sanding or grinding or anything. Lots of stuff here. Yeah, this really bothered me, and there's a dentless dent removal. So the way this dent happened, and it says employee parking, that was attached to the pole. It just went flying. It hit my hood here, and little tiny dent here. But it really bothers me, and I want a professional to fix it. You see that? Right there. We're gonna fix it. So we gotta remove this heat shield right here, and we have these clips. I installed this heat shield myself.
That's problem.
That's okay. I got a bunch of them.
Usually.
Yeah, just pop them out. I have a bunch of these from Amazon. If you break them, that's okay. Yeah, just remove them. Don't worry about it. We need access to the inside over here, so we gotta remove this. Yeah, just if you break it, that's cool. I will have a bunch of them. So I had clips like this. I installed them, but it's hard to remove them, so you might break it, but it's okay. Amazon has it. There'll be a link in the description for this. That's fine. Wait, there's somewhere. Oh, that's it. Latch the hood thing. Cool. Oh, it gives you like a tension on the lock?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay, because you're going to be pushing so it doesn't go off. Nice.
Hopefully it's not double metal.
Yeah, that's a Toyota. It should be very thin. All right, I'm out of your way.
Okay. Let me put the light.
Got a special light. Special light. There, you can access it? Nice. So it's not a double one, right?
No. Maybe
Good.
here, but here's okay.
Yeah, we were able to access that dent from the inside here. See, there's a special tool to hold the hood open. Nice. Got more lights here. The reason why it was bothering me, because I bought this car like brand new. You know, every scratch on this car, you know, every little thing. And it's just like, when I was walking back to my car in the parking lot, I was like, what the hell? It already came up a little bit. Special tools for everything. We got here a special heat gun. This is necessary for gluing some of these things to pull the dent out. So Yeah, he's got all the professional stuff here. Pretty cool. All the tools, all the metal pieces here. Oh. So now we glue this little thing right on the dent and we're gonna pull it out. Special tools like this. Okay.
Okay. See, it's right here.
Yeah, I see it, yeah.
You see now, right? The wave.
Yeah.
It's around here. After everything goes back.
So
Can't see the right center of the wire.
it wasn't a direct hit, it was like sideways. You know, the metal, the sign just went flying and hit my hood like at the angle, you know? It's the first time somebody putting a hammer on my car. Special hammer. It already looks better. Much better. It was a deep one. Okay, and then we're gonna buff that thing out. Apply some packing tape to understand how deep this dent is still. But it looks so much better, like so much better. Cool. So practically this thing is gone. We only see a little scratch that we're gonna buff it out, but this is all flat, almost like 90 something, 98%, almost flat. And we put this reflective tape so we can see this little ridge, because on the bottom we have to push it up and there's too much reflection, so the tape helps. But it looks very good. It feels flat, so very nice. The right tools for the job. There's always right tools for the job. You got a lamp like this, 12-volt battery. But isn't it better to do it during the sunlight, right? Ideally, or you can do it with the right sunlight, no? So, okay. Yeah, because you can take the special light and put it anywhere you want. Okay. Yeah, I feel it was my hand. There's nothing here almost. Flat. Very nice. And now we're gonna hammer the car again. Okay guys, this is a final result. I forgot to show you how we buff it out, but look at this. The damage was like right here. It's all flat now. There's only tiny little bit mark because there's a metal piece that hit it, but you can't even see it, but it's all flat. You see, this is how professionals fix it. You can't even see it unless you look very close. I think my friend did a very good job. And let's see, it's like right about here. It's hard to concentrate, focus the camera, but it happened right here. When I'm touching it with my finger, it's all flat. See, when you take a car to a professional paintless dent removal, they do a good job. They know what they're doing. They use special tools. Also, we'll show you this when the sun hits this, but you can't see it. Before, I would just walk next to my car, I could see a nice dent. Now, nothing. Doesn't. This is this angle. Excellent job. I want to show you on the sun how this looks. You can't actually tell where the damage was. So if you have a nice dent, just hire a professional. That will make it very nice. They know what they're doing, and you're not gonna have any dents. Look at that. I'm so satisfied. Let me show you. This damage happened. I can't even tell. See, the reason why I did this because I love this car. This is my one owner car, bought it brand new, and I know every single scratch, every little dent on this car. There was also a little dent here, but he also fixed it for me. Yeah, you can't tell at all. So that's how you fixed dents on the vehicle without any painting, without any tape, painting, sanding, just like that. Tell me what you think in the comments. Think he did a good job or no?